In order to create new inventory records using the import function, please log in as a user with inventory editing privileges. Click Imports in the left side menu and select Import Opportunities, Orders, and Inventory. Choose the customer you wish to import for. A customer must exist in order to import data. Next, select the inventory type. Due to the complexity of inventory records, you may only import one product type at a time. The default template type is Create New Inventory. This allows you to create new records within the system. Select Download Template and you will receive a new Excel file. When downloading the sheet, Excel may place it into protected mode. First, click Enable Editing in order to make changes to the worksheet. The first worksheet in the file contains instructions for how to use the file, as well as a list of locations currently in Audex for the selected customer. Locations must exist in Audex prior to using the inventory import process. Identify the locations you wish to import services for using the name, address, and city state. Then copy the corresponding location ID. This location ID is generated in Audex and is unique to each location. Paste the location ID into the location column. Next, enter a status. Statuses may be opportunity, order, active, lost opportunity, canceled order, or disconnected service. No other values are allowed. Headers are indicated by color. Green headers are required and must be filled out in order to complete your import. Blue headers are optional and may be left blank if no data is available. Red headers are optional but require specific values. Hovering over the red header will display possible values that can be entered into the system. If the information is unknown, leave the column blank. Once you have completed all required rows, save the file to your local drive. Next, return to Audex 360 and use the file browser in order to select the file you just saved. Next, click the Upload File button. If the file is imported correctly, you will receive a message indicating it. If there were errors, you will receive a list of errors and suggestions on how to correct them. Next, let's use the Update Existing Inventory function in order to update records that already exist within Audex. Select the customer, select the inventory type, and change Choose Template Type to Update Existing Inventory. Next, click Download Template. As with new templates, the file may be in protected mode. Click Enable Editing in order to edit your file. Change to the Product tab. You will now see a list of all records of this type for this customer currently available in Audex. Select the row or rows you wish to change, choose the cell, and enter an updated value. Any rows that remain unchanged will not be updated within Audex. The same requirements hold true in the update template, indicated by color. Next, save the file to your local drive, return to Audex 360, and browse to find the file. Click Upload File, and your rows will either be updated or return an error message. In this case, the local lec was left blank. Local lec is a required field within the Audex import. Browse to select the file from your local drive, and click Upload File.